Hey everybody, today is December 3rd. I'm Mr. Sheridan. This is Earth Science for today. So a couple quick reminders before we get into your assignment for today. Again, on summatives, I got a bunch of them turned in. I learned that I need to email parents sooner next time. So I got a bunch of those turned in last night, and your grade should be up to date. So go into PowerSchool, double check, make sure that your grades are what you think that they should be. And you may be missing it. I've had several students that have said I did an assignment that it says that I didn't do. And that could be a number of different things, but you don't know unless you go and check. So the grades are up to date. So if you think something's wrong, please email me and we can work through that. But you need to know that the absolute cutoff to retake this last summative is tomorrow. So get your grades in. If you haven't turned in a portion of the summative, make sure that you turn it in so that I can get it graded, and then you can decide whether you want to retake or not. The procedure for retaking right now is you need to send me an email that says which parts of the summative you want to retake. And then next week I will email you individually and we'll set something up to conduct your retake. So make sure that you send me an email if there are parts of the summative that you want to retake, and make sure that that gets sent to me by tomorrow. That is the deadline. If you haven't turned in a portion of your summative, I can't unfortunately cut those off. You have to be able to turn in your summatives, but you will not be able to retake after tomorrow. So please get those in. Do the best you can, get those in so that you can retake if you like. So moving on to today, we are getting right down deep into the middle of our climate unit. So we have been working on this for a little bit, and today we're going to talk about temperate and continental climates. So on your vocabulary sheet, which is located here last week, called Climate Vocabulary, you're going to need to add quite a few today about the definitions of temperate climates, Mediterranean climates, humid subtropical climates, and meridian west coast climates. And then also under continental, you need to add continental climates, humid continental climates, and subarctic climates. So you need to add all of those to your vocabulary list. Tomorrow, we will not have any CK12s that are due. So I encourage everyone to please come to class so that we can update all of our vocabulary sheets. Make sure that you all are keeping yours up to date, get your definitions in there as best you can, and then we'll add on those together tomorrow. It's the best way to learn this stuff. So then as you're keeping up with these things, put your definition down in there, and then we'll talk about it and put a class of consensus definition in where on our vocabulary sheet that you'll all have access to. So it is important for you all to individually go through as you're reading through those documents to get those vocabulary sheets updated, and then you can add on the consensus definitions as we go through. So make sure that you all come to class tomorrow. We'll go through all of the definitions that we've covered this week and the last couple of days of last week, the first 2 days of last week during Thanksgiving break. So we'll go over those 6 class days that we've had CK12 assignments and get those all on the vocabulary sheet. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. Otherwise, go get those done and make sure that you are either submitting your summatives or scheduling retakes if you'd like to. And I will see you all again tomorrow. Have a great day.